Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hold up. Why isn't this working? Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm playing eviction notice because it's about to get real, and I actually need to get some drama in. You know, some drama in. Of course, it can't be too much drama because we do have to stay, you know, in the zone. The zone for people to just come to my videos just so fun. Now her avatar is cute. Okay. Sorry, my dog. Can't get distracted. But guys, I actually have a really big speech to say. Well, guys, here it is. So, guys, I'm so sorry for not posting for past, I don't even know, couple months, years, yeah, I'm not sure. But I'm back, right? So, that's feeling good. Also, as you know, I have a new member of the family, Cash. Now, he is actually going to be getting a little Q&A, stare at him, pet him, and answer the questions. I'm not sure what we're gonna do yet, but these girls are up in their faces, personal space, please, if you don't mind. Oh, are you wearing pants? Oh, bro. Come here, Cash. Look, Cash. Look, you have to approve this. Yo, okay. Alright, we're in eviction notice. Now, of course, I'm going to end this video short because I just am. What should my name be? Isabella. I want it in. Ew, that pink font is so. And this is the font. And confirm. Ay, puppy. Isabella. Okay, so my name is Isabella. Let's team up with someone. Okay. Welcome, everyone. Before this game starts, everyone must vote on a game mode. Hi, y'all. Okay, so I want 2 rows because it's really good. Each round, the house leader will spin a roulette that determines whether they get an advantage or disadvantage in the game. Well, wow, bro, that's just wrong. Okay. Cast your votes. I cast my vote. Okay, let's see. There's Alexis, there's Issa, there's Pokemon Sword, there's Lily, there's More, there's the girl's username, there's Candon's, Jaden. Click on someone to request. Are they gonna request to be my partner? Probably not. I'm gonna do Cadence. Do a request. And now decline. Do a request. Oh, who's Alice? I don't know. Disgust. Bro, wait. Caterbug. Hey, Caterbug, I like you. Yay! I'm with Caterbug. Good luck, everyone. The game will begin now. Okay, so me and Cadence are duo. Okay, so let me get my whisper. I don't have weapons. Oh no. Okay, so on. Shut up. Oh my god! How? Alright, this game has gone a couple long. Welcome to Memorabilia. Keep track of the pattern that is displayed. You will be asked questions about the pattern. Oh. If you get a question wrong, you're out. Well, dang. I thought the person. Okay, so me and Cadence are together. Okay. I didn't know somebody was named that. Star. That thingy. Star. Were any shapes shown 2 or more times? Yes. Why do we have these paint thingies? What does that do? I don't know somebody was named. Ew. Still. Warmer. Low. Ew, still Jaden, Jenna, Cadence, Jordan, Lizzie. This thingy star, this thingy circle. Was a star shown? Yes, a star was shown. The correct answer is yes. I'm sorry if I don't know what this thingy when I say ooh. Were any shapes shown 2 or more times? I'm gonna say yes. Trading you for life. No. Oh my god, I've never won this game before. I don't think so. I'm pretty sure I haven't. That thing, square, that thing, were there 8? No, I don't think it was. That's not all. Yes! Oh my god, yo! It's me, Jordan, and Jenna. Okay, that thing. Do you have to count? Were there 60 fish circle? Yes. Guys, I might have. Oh my god. Okay, I'm totally numbers. Oh. Jenna. It's Jenna. Yes. What the heck? Oh my god. Stop. What? You disgust me, creature. I'm happy. Ooh, fight. I'm gonna act like that I'm not even listening. LOL. Disgust! He's mad. No, Jenna, you're lucky. You get the house thingy. I hope you packed, partner. Because you are done. Like, disgust. Oh! Like, disgust. Oh, gross. Okay. I need to talk to my partner. So, where's my partner? My partner's over there. Okay. It's time for the nomination ceremony. I'm gonna make it talk so weird. As the house leader, I have to nominate players. I bet she's gonna nominate the guy that said disgust. These players will be evicted. The first duo I'm nominating is, it better be the guy with the duo that saying disgust. The Pokemon sword. Yes! That's the way to get to the second duo I'm nominating is. I think it's gonna be, I don't know why. Izzy and Sweet Pea. Oh, I'm so sorry. I am nominated for eviction. Sorry if you can't hear me. Just gotta read it. Sorry. This concludes the nomination ceremony. Oh, that's sad. Okay, so we need to /whisper. It was like, oh shoot, it was a camera. That's just embarrassing because I don't know how to whisper. Oh, I'm out. Why am I out? Come on, Cadence! Wait. Let's go, Cadence. Bye. Whoa! Why is he so mad? Why can't I spell her name? Cadence. Let's go, Cadence! And I can't stop myself from falling. Let's go, Cadence! Hey. Oh, that one, this one. Alright, she got this. She getting it. Go, Cadence. Go. You're not even her partner. Wait. I don't know if she's not. Am I alone? I have to see either Cadence. If Cadence gets picked or I'm get picked. Go, Cadence. Because I asked her and then it said, yeah, she's your partner. It's weird. It shouldn't really tell who's partner. Yeah, she got this. Come on, die. Oh, wait. These are like luggages or something. Oh, yeah. Woo, Cadence. You got this, girl. No, Cadence! No. Oh. When Cadence dies, I go back. Yeah. Jordan! Nobody. Oh no, he's about to get the guy out. The bacon. No one thinks. I'm scared of Jordan. He's so scary. He scares me out. Cadence, I'm gonna say, oh, Caterbug. Okay, so slash whisper Caterbug. Okay, Caterbug, you did good. Slash whisper Caterbug, you did good. I think this works. I don't know. The safety competition. I don't know. Who's gonna? I think it's gonna say Lizzie. I'm decided to save Lizzie because she's the only one. To use safety. Well, yeah. But since one of the nominees was saved, I have to pick another one. Yay! I must now choose another nominee. No, please. Isabel and Cadence, you're my what? What do we do? Oh, this concludes the safety ceremony. Sorry. Don't say sorry. No, it's on. Okay. Cadence, either one of us have to win to be safe. It's not easy. Cadence, either one of us has to win to be safe. It's not easy. And the nominee with the most votes will be evicted. No! As house leader, I will vote if there's a tie. This is no. It's time to vote. I'm scared. Can I not be? Everyone cast your votes. Okay, cast your votes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm so scared. All the votes have been cast. Well, they better pick by a vote of 2-1. It's time for you to go. This is so funny. Oh my god. The game has reached the final few players. Yeah, probably because of that. So duels will now be disbanded. Oh. Good luck, everyone. Okay, well, at least we're safe. The round is going to be a speed eviction. Okay. Okay, so there's no more nominees. The events will go by faster than normal until the next person gets voted out. Well, look at all these people that got out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think they just left, to be honest. I'm sorry that you have to hear that. Oh, she's so cute. I am now on the players' team. Oh no, this is called tile change. Change as many tiles as you can to your color. I don't like this one. I don't like any games like this. You can change other players' tiles as well. Blah blah blah, eviction, blah blah blah, and that's the game. The person who changes the most tiles will win. That's not funny. 3, 2, 1, go! What's my color? Ooh, I like yellow. I like that color yellow. It's really pretty. I have to jump on these. Okay, jump. Not as high as you can go, huh? Not as high as you. Oh, this looks kind of gold, like a gold, like I don't know. No, don't you dare! You think you slick? You think you slick? You think you got this? You think you got this? No, I'm just gonna run over everybody's because I'm mean. Come on, Jordan, you got this. You're not even in the team anymore. You stop cheating, please. Thank you. Cadence, I'm sorry. Do you guys not know how to jump this? Like, this is so high you can jump. Are we seriously gonna fight over an area? Because I want to. No, Cadence, you think you slick? She thinks she's slick, like real slick, like real slick. It ain't happening. I'll take this whole tower. Why not? Because somebody else is taking it, so I'll take the whole tower. Fall down.